Hello student, welcome once again in our standard 6 mathematics chapter number 12, exercise number 12.2 mathematics standard 6 exercise number 12.2. In today's sessions we are going to complete our lesson 12.2 and 12.3 also, and lesson also we are going to complete. But before we are going to start our today's sessions, let's do a silent prayer and a physical exercise, mental exercise, my dear student, which gives you a proper strength to see the all things. A silent prayer have the great energy. Before starting anything, you should have to make a silent prayer. My dear student, in these lessons we are going to see the ratios and proportions of lesson number 12 standard 6 mathematics exercise number 12.2. Here is the question number 1. Determine the following are in proportion or not. Student, there are A to F, 6 questions are there, and each questions having the 4 numbers. A ratio have 2 numbers and a proportion has a 4 numbers. If these 4 numbers are in proportion or not, we should have to check. 15, 45, 40 and 120. Students, 4 numbers means it is a 2 ratios, that means a 2 proportions. Proportions answers are here. Student, 15 is to 45. 15 is to 45, that means 15 upon 45, which give you a 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? Student, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So answer is 1 upon 3, and it is written in the ratio format 1 is to 3. How to read out beta? 1 is to 3. Okay? Correct. Second number was written 40 is to 120. So 40 will write down on the numerator side and 120 will return on the downside, denominator side. So 40 ones are 40 and 14 twos are 80, 14 threes are 120. Some students are doing like this way. It is also correct beta. No problem. You are having the common method. Which method you are using? 0 cut, 0 cut. Now what is the left here? 4 upon 12, which make you a reduced form beta. रिड्यूस फॉर्म मीन्स आपको बड़ा नंबर में से छोटा कर दो. अच्छा 4 के टेबल में 12 आता है तो 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, और समटाइम्स यू आर राइटिंग 4 3 जा 12 एंड देन 4 विल कट. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट देयर बेटा? 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is nothing but 1 is to 3. It is a ratio format. It is a ratio format. Since 15 is to 45 is equal to 40 is to 120, yes, both the ratios are there. When two ratios are equal, we can say they are in proportion. So here 4 numbers, first and third, first and second, third and fourth. These both numbers are in proportion, or 2 ratios are there in proportion. Here 2 ratios are there. 15 and 45 is equal to 40 and 120. So we can say these numbers are in proportion. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. So let's see the second one. 33 is to 121 will gives us a 3 is to 11. Okay, 9 is to 96. Student, 9 into 96, that means reduced form is 3 upon 32. That is a 3 is to 32. Beta, both are equal? No. These both ratios are not equal. They are not in proportion. What is the sign of this one beta? Is equal to sign and then cut it. That is a not equal to. What is written beta? Not equal to. Equal to का तो आपको मालूम है. Equal to क्या होता है बेटा? Yes, this is the equal to sign. It is a equal to sign. Is it? Equal to के आगे ऐसे काट दो तो बन जाएगा not equal to sign. Is it? Cut. So these both ratios are not equal. So they are not in proportion. Proportion means दोनों के आंसर सेम नहीं मिलते, लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट साइड के. Look at the third one beta. Third one may be same process. 24 is to 28. That means 24 upon 28 will cut it and reduce form is 6 upon 7. And second number is 36 is to 48. My dear student, here you can find out a 36 as a numerator and 48 as a denominator. So answer will be 3 upon 4. And 3 upon 4 written in the ratio format is equal to 3 is to 4. If the both answer are same, no beta. Both answer are not there. First answer we got it here, left side is a 6 is to 7 and second one is a 3 is to 4. That's why 24 is to 28 are not equal to 36 is to 48. How to read out this one? Once again I remind you how to read out this. 24 is to 28 is not equal to 36 is to 48. That's why we can say these numbers are not in proportion. Proportion means उसके साथ में चलता नहीं है. जैसे फर्स्ट आंसर मिला था, देखो D में भी ऐसा है 2 is to 3 and 1 is to 3. That's why it is not in proportion. Last one देखो बेटा 4 is to 6 and 8 is to 12. By reducing the forms 2 is to 3 and second is to 12, that gives us a 2 upon 3, that is a 2 is to 3. Since 4 is to 6 is equal to 8 is to 12. Therefore 4 is to 6 and 8 is to 12 are equal. That means they are in proportion. Let's the F1. F1 also are there. 33 is to 44 and 75 is to 100 will gives us a reduced form 3 is to 4. That means the first two numbers of ratios and third, fourth number of the ratios are equal. So these ratios are equal. They are in proportions. They are in proportion. By mistake it is written here ratio. Okay beta? Correct. Now look at here next question 2. What is the next question beta here? Question number 2 is on your screen. Write true or false against each of the following statements. There are again A to F numbers are written and then ratios are written. We are knowing this is the ratio 60 is to 24. How to read out beta this one? 16 is to okay, is to this one 24 and again the two dots are there. That means in proportion 20 is to 30, 20 is to 30 is proportions. This is the proportion sign. Proportion का मतलब बेटा मालूम है? रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन अपना लेसन का नाम है. ये पहला नंबर है वो रेशियो बोलते हैं और दूसरे के साथ 4 डॉट्स इट इज गिविंग द proportion. That means they are relation between this ratio and this ratio. It is showing the relation between two ratios. Easy? So 16 is to 24 are proportion into 20 is to 30. Are they or not? Let's check. For that one we should have to give the reduced form. But reduced form का मतलब मालूम है किसी को? नहीं मालूम. Let's we check it. 16 upon 24 बराबर है बेटा और बीच में इक्वल साइन में लगा देता हूँ अभी 20 upon 30. ये हो गया अपना reduced form करने के लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप. Okay, anything is possible between numerator and denominator? Yes, very good question students. Yes. Ask anything anytime. So students, your question is very intelligent. You ask what is a numerator and what is a denominator. Beta. Good. This is the ratios. Ratio is the top number called the numerator and down number is called the denominator. First of all, you have to understand this one. Without any hesitations, you should have to clarify your doubts. When you clarify your doubts, you will learn something. Otherwise, you will never learn anything. Okay? It's a learn by heart. Next one. Okay. Now 16 and 24 are coming in common table or as a reduced form we have to do. Yes. They both are coming in 4 table. Yes. In 6 table. No. 8 table both are coming. So first of all we can do the maximum number of this one is a 8. 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are. Is it? 8 3s are 24. Yes or no? 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are. Yes my dear student, right. 8 3s are. Yes. Let's check. For this one, I will cut it 8 8. 8 गया 8 गया. कौन बचा अभी बेटा? 2 upon 3. कहाँ बचा? Left side. Is equal to की left side पे. Regarding the right side, remove this 0 0. What will be the answer of right side beta? 2 upon 3. Is it? So left side as well as right side both are equal. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Our answer is there. This means this 16 upon 24 are in proportion with 20 upon 30. Or left hand side is equal to right hand side 2 upon 3 2 upon 3. So here like that way you should have to check the statements are right or wrong. The proportions are nothing but a 4 dots. Like as a ratio has 2 dots, it has a 4 dots. And it needs a 4 numbers for proportion. Ratio needs 2 numbers. Isn't it? Let's check the all answer one by one. A is the our proportion. Just now I said, don't believe me. Don't believe me or anyone. You should have to do yourself better. Will you do yourself? Yes. See the answers is written here. Clearly written 16 is to 25 are proportion in 20 is to 30. How to do? 16 upon 24 in proportion, in place of proportions you can write it is equal to sign. Third number 20 and fourth number is downside. And just reduce it. You will get 2 upon 3 left side and 2 upon 3 right side. How it came? So here I written 8 2s and 8 3s. Isn't it? Left side is equal to is here 2 into 10 and 3 into 10. Isn't it? So this will cut, this will cut. 8 will cut, 8 will cut. What is left here between there, beta? Yes, my dear student, you are right. Left side you are having 2 upon 3 is equal to sign as it is, and right side 2 upon 3. Is it written here? So this is called the reduced form. This is called the reduced form. Between 16 and 24 and 20 and 30, these 4 numbers are in proportion. These 4 numbers are in proportion. Isn't it clear? Very good, student. Very good. Now again B. 21 is to 6 are in proportion with 35 is to 10. Purposefully I am reading these numbers so you can get a clear idea. So first number 21 upon 6 is equal to 35 upon 10. When we cut it or reduce form, we are having 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. How it came? 7 3s and 6 2s. 3 2s 6. Same way. 7 5s 35, 5 2s 10. And then 5 5 will cut, and here 3 3 will cut. You are having left side 7 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. This means these 4 numbers are in proportion. That means this statement is true. Look at the C. 12 is to 18 are in proportion with 28 is to 12. How to read out? You remember what I said just now. So first number is 12 upon 18 is equal to 28 upon 12. By dividing both the number, these 6 tables are coming. In place of 12, can we write 6 into 2? Yes, my dear student, right. And in place of 18, you can write 6 into 3. Correct? Now 28 and 12. Which table these both are coming, beta? 2 table. 3 table coming? No. 4 table? Yes. 7 4s. So we can write 7 into 4 or 4 into 7 or 4 into 7, beta. 4 के table में आता है दोनों. 4 into 7. 7 4s 28 and 4 3s 12. Isn't it? Okay, now cut it the number which is you don't like. So I don't like here the number 28 in place of 4 into 7. So 4 4 will cut and the left side 6 6 will cut because numerator and denominators are divided together. So what is the left side now left? Left side is remaining 2 is to 3. What is written here? 2 is to 3 is there? Here, see. Okay, on right side what I got it here? 7 is to 3. Are both number are equal? As see the question number B. 7 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. That's why they are in proportion. But here both the answers are different. 2 is upon 3 and 7 upon 3. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That's why it is a sign of not equal to. Okay, some students still now having not knowing about this is a equal sign and this is a not equal sign. This is the equal sign, equal to. What is written here? Equal to. And this is the not equal to. What you have to read better here? Not equal to. Isn't it? You should have to read. Whenever you found these types of sign, you should have to read out not equal to. That means say these are not in proportion and this is a false statement. Look at about the D. D is the 8 upon 9. Reduced form is 8 upon 9. Because 8 upon 9 is not possible to divide. One number is odd and one number is even. Okay, odd number don't know. Odd number means whenever you find the last number or one place 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, this is called the odd numbers. And when you found the unit digit or last number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, these numbers are called as a even numbers. Easy? Correct. So here we can check it. One is the even and one is the odd. Right side also you cannot find. That means they are in proportion. 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9 both are there. That means at proportion. E के बारे में देखो बेटा 5:2 5.2 बेटा and 3.9. Right side 3.3:4. That means 4:3 and 3:4. Are they equal? No. It's a wrong. Okay. Some students having the doubt. Can I show you why it is doubt? Let's we check out about this one. 8 upon 9 8 upon 9 के बारे में सोचते हैं बेटा. तो उसको कैसे आपको मालूम हो गया कि इक्वल है कि नहीं इक्वल है? आपको क्या करना है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो. एज इट इज 8 into 9 इज इक्वल टू का साइन ऐसे ही बेटा रखा और 8 into 9 राइट साइड टच किया. ये ऊपर गया, ये ऊपर गया. Okay, 8 into 9, what is it? 8 9 जा 72 और 8 9 जा 72. Both the numbers are equal. That means they are in proportion. Not directly you can say 8 upon 9 is equal to 8 upon 9. Is it? Same way 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. Both the sides are equal. 0.9 and 0.36 and 10 upon 4. That means 5 by 2. Here also 5 by 2. Is it there? How it came? Will you tell me? 10 upon 4. That means 5 by 2 and 9 upon 36. 9 4s are 36 beta. 1 upon 4. No, it's a 90 is there. 0.9 means 90 is there. 5. Okay? Good. Very good beta. 18 के हिसाब से हमने divide किया था. Hence it is a true. 40 persons is to 200 persons. That means 40 upon 200. That means 1 upon 5. Answer is 1:5. That way 15:75 will give us a 1:5. Since 40% 200% is equal to 15 rupees 75 rupees. Hence the statement is true. B. 75 liters and 15 liters. That's a 1:2. So 5 kg and 10 kg. Are they in proportion? Yes, 1:2. Both the ratios are equal. That means this statement is true. C. 99 kg and 45 kg will give us a reduced form 11:5. How to read out this one? 11:5. You are knowing this one. Isn't it? Okay. So rupees 44 is to rupees 20. That means it is giving a 11:5. Both the ratios are equal. That means this 99 kg is to 45 equal to rupees 44 is to rupees 20. But our ratio has no numbers. That means how to say is this one? Because here it's a kg return. Kg will cut and here rupees is there up and down. That's a numerator and denominator will cut it. Only number is there. That's why we can say ratios and proportions are only numbers. It has no units, no any specifications. Is it? Okay. So now look at here D. 32 meter is to 64 meter will reduce form as 1:2. Same way the second number is 6 second is to 12 second will gives a only number. Only number means 1:2. So both the ratios are equal. When two ratios are equal, that means they are in proportion. They are in proportions. That means the statement is true. Is it? Okay. Look at the E. 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer. Reduced form is 3:4. 12 hour and 15 hours. Reduced form is 4:5. Here two ratios are different. That means they are not in proportion. They are not equal ratios. Not in proportion. Question number 4A. इधर आपको दिया बेटा सेंटीमीटर और मीटर. Before there you should have to know how much centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Is it correct? So you can say that means that 25 centimeter is to 1 meter is equal to 25 centimeter into 1. That is 100 centimeter. Reduced form is 1:4. Same way. Here rupees are given and that ratio is 40 upon 160. Rupees will cut. You are having only a number 1 upon 4. 41 are 14 and 14 6 are 160. Correct answer beta. See both the ratios are equal. Therefore these four numbers are in proportion. Okay. So what is the middle term? 1 and 40. Is it? And extreme term बाहर की साइड की term क्या है? तो बोलेंगे बेटा 25 centimeter and 160 rupees. See it is written here clearly 25 सेंटीमीटर्स, 1 मीटर्स, कहाँ पे लिखा है बेटा, उसी के हिसाब से आपको लिखने का है, इज इक्वल टू ₹40 इज टू ₹160 बेटा, बराबर है। तो जो मिडल की दो टर्म है उसको बोलेंगे हम मिडल टर्म्स 1 मीटर एंड ₹40, और बाहर की साइड की जो दो टर्म्स है उसको बोलेंगे हम एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स, बराबर है। ये मिडल टर्म हो गई बेटा MT एंड दिस इज XT, ET का मतलब है एक्सट्रीम टर्म, बाहर की साइड की दो टर्म है उसको बोलेंगे 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड ₹160, इज इट क्लियर, वेरी गुड बेटा, नाइस। 39 liters and 65 liters, reduced form is 3:5, 6 bottles is to 10 bottles will gives you a 3:5. So both those ratios are equal, therefore these are in proportion. Whenever two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. एक के साथ एक चलता है, एक बढ़ता है तो दूसरा भी बढ़ता है, उसको proportion बोलते हैं, बराबर बेटा। 2 kg is to 8 kg and 25 gram is to 625 ग्राम। सो पहले का आंसर मिला बेटा मेरे को रिड्यूस फॉर्म 1:40, दूसरे का आंसर मिला 1:25। तो बोथ रेशियोज आर नॉट इक्वल, सिंस द रेशियोज आर नॉट इक्वल देयरफॉर दिस आर नॉट इन प्रोपोर्शन। डी 200 ml is to 2.5 liters and we are knowing 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, so 2.5 liters will gives us a 2500 ml. By giving the reduced form we are having a 2:25 and ₹4 is to ₹50. Is it also having 2:25? Here both the ratios are equal, therefore these numbers are in proportion and middle terms are, बीच वाली दो टर्म है उसको मिडल टर्म बोलेंगे और पहली और लास्ट टर्म को बोलेंगे एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स। इज इट करेक्ट बेटा? So here you can specify these answers very clearly. So here we end up our exercise 12.2 and now we moving on 12.3. It is having 11 questions. So easy questions are there and try to understand these types of question. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth ₹294, find the cost of ₹5 meter of cloth. बेटा 7 मीटर का इतना रुपया तो 5 मीटर का कितना होगा? ये 3 statements, 3 values are there, 4th value you have to find out. Very good is there. Question number 2, Ekta earns ₹1500 in 10 days. How much will she earn in 30 days? बेटा 3 टर्म दिया है, उसमें से 2 टर्म एक साथ होगी, एक टर्म अलग टाइप की होगी, तो उसके जो फाइंडिंग करना है एक्स्ट्रा टर्म्स के बारे में फाइंडिंग करना है। क्लॉथ ऑफ 7 मीटर का आपको दिया ₹294, तो 1 मीटर का कितना होगा बेटा? यूनिटरी मेथड से भी कर सकते हो, डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। तो आपको मिला बेटा ₹42। तो आपको कितने चाहिए? 5 मीटर क्लॉथ चाहिए, तो 210। फॉर दिस आई विल शो यू। सो मीटर क्लॉथ रुपीस इज देयर एंड 1 मीटर नो बट 5 मीटर क्लॉथ, सो वी कैन से मीटर एंड रुपीस। आपको 7 मीटर का क्लॉथ का रुपीस है 294 बेटा, तो आपको चाहिए कितना? 5। ये शॉर्ट मेथड में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, आपको फाइंडिंग करता है 4 टर्म्स मेथड, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन बेटा। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स 294 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 डिवाइड बाय 7। Is it? Correct. Now 7 1 जा 7 and उसके साथ बनेगा 7 4 जा 28. So 7 2 जा 14. Okay, now you are having 42 into 5. 42 into 5, that means 210. Here is the 210 answer is directly given. So you can select any method, unitary method or cross multiplication method also. This is a unitary method is given here on your screen. Your cloth of 5 meters is 210. बराबर 7 मीटर लेंगे तो 294 को होगा, कम क्लॉथ लेंगे तो पैसा ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा या कम ही देना पड़ेगा, तो डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन बोलते हैं उसको। क्लियर? अर्निंग 10 डेज का 1500 है, तो एक दिन का कितना मिलेगा उसको बेटा? 150। यूनिटरी मेथड बोलते हैं। तो उसको कितने दिन काम किया? 30 डेज, तो 30 डेज के हिसाब से उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 140 to 30 that gives you 4500। ओके, रेन इन 3 डेज इतना हुआ बेटा, तो एक दिन में कितना रेन होगा? 92 मिलीमीटर, तो 7 डेज में कितना होगा? तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दो बेटा, 644 मिलीमीटर। यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। हाउ इट इज गोइंग फास्ट? इजी ना? ओके, नाउ आई विल मेक इट स्लो डाउन बिकॉज नाउ मेन क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग ओवर हियर। कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 kg ऑफ व्हीट कितना दिया है बेटा? क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा ₹30.50। तो 1 kg का कितना रहेगा? तो आप क्या करेंगे बेटा? डिवाइड कर दो। यस, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओनली इज गोइंग ऑन। 30.50 multiply by 1 divided by 5 will you get it 6.10। बट आपको चाहिए कितने किलो व्हीट बेटा? यस 6 kg, तो उसको 8 kg से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो। 6.10 multiply by 8 will you gives you 48.80 पैसे। यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यू आर राइट, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ रुपीस। बी में क्या दिया है बेटा? इतने रुपीस में क्वांटिटी की परचेज है 5 किलो आती है, तो 1 किलो में कितने की, 1 रुपये में कितने की मिलेगी, कितनी वेट मिलेगी आपको, तो आपको मिलेगी 5/30.50। बट आपके पास तो 61 रुपीज है, देन हाउ मच यू कैन परचेज इट, बाय रिड्यूसिंग यू विल गेट 10 kg ऑफ weight। इज इट इजी? Yes, my dear student, little bit complicated for your current standard, but try to understand whatever the things. That's why this lesson and last exercise is given. Degree of temperature dropped in last 30 days। बेटा ये लास्ट 30 डेज में इतना ड्रॉप हुआ है 15 डिग्री, तो डिग्री ऑफ टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्ड इन लास्ट 30 डेज इज इक्वल टू 1/2 डिग्री। सो कितने दिन के चाहिए बेटा, 10 डेज की चाहिए, तो एक दिन की इतनी है, तो 10 डेज की कितनी रहेगी बेटा, यस 5 डिग्री टेम्परेचर डाउन होगा। 6 नंबर, रेंट पेड फॉर मंथ इज इक्वल टू ₹7,500। सो रेंट फॉर 1 मंथ का कितना होगा बेटा, क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, यस डिवाइड इज देयर, 7,500 डिवाइड बाई 3, वेरी गुड, 25 3 75 एंड 2 more 0, एक मंथ का आपको मिल गया 2,500। तो अपने रेंट कितने महीने का देने का है, 12 मंथ का, तो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ, 12 मंथ से डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 30,000। बट सम स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी क्लेवर, 3 महीने का दिया है 7,500, तो मान लो एक साल में कितना होता है, 12 मंथ में कितने 3 आते हैं, 4 टाइम्स आते हैं, तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, 7,500 तो 3 महीने का है, तो एक साल का कितना, 12 महीना मीन्स एक साल, तो इसमें 3 महीना क्वार्टर बोलते हैं, क्वार्टर 4 आता है, तो उससे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 कर दो बेटा, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 0 0 4 5 जा 20, 2 विल बी द कैरी ओवर, 7 5 जा, yes 7 4 जा 28 plus 2 30, so answer is here 30, directly it can get it, is it correct? Now look at the next last answer, not but least answer, 7 8 9 10, will you see it beta and try to understand, और I have to explain, then I am going to explain now। एक डजन में कितना आता है बेटा, एक डजन में 12 बनाना आता है, तो 4 डजन लेंगे तो कितना बनाना आएगा, 48 बनाना आ रहा है, इज इट, देखो अंडरलाइन कर दिया है, तो बेटा 48 बनाने का ₹60 है, तो कितना बनाना परचेज करेंगे, 1 रुपये में, 1 रुपये में आपको मिलेगा बेटा 4/5, तो आपके पास तो ₹12 and 50 पैसे है बेटा, तो कितने केले परचेज करेंगे, 10 bananas you can buy with this 12 rupees and 50 paise। It is a very difficult question for you at your age level, but try to understand what they ask and what side you are going, okay, correct। Now look at the question number 8, weight of the 72 books is 9 kilogram है बेटा, तो एक बुक का कितना होगा, सिंपल डिवाइड, यस बेटा 9 डिवाइड बाय 72, 9 1 जा 9, 9 8 जा 72, so answer is 1/8। the weight of 40 books is equal to 1/8, एक बुक का 1/8 है, तो 40 बुक्स का कितना रहेगा बेटा, 5 किलोग्राम, is it easy, clear। for covering 5,094 kilometer, a truck will be required diesel 108 liter, बट तो 1 किलोमीटर के लिए कितना यूज करेगा बेटा, 2/11 लीटर्स ऑफ डीजल। अच्छा डीजल कैसे यूज किया बेटा, ट्रक के लिए डीजल चलता है, कार के लिए पेट्रोल होता है, क्लियर, ओके आपने सुना होगा पेट्रोल एंड डीजल, व्हेन यू विजिटिंग a petrol pump then 2 pumps are there, one is a diesel and one is a petrol। so for covering 1,650 kilometer, how much diesel it required, it required a 300 liters of diesel, okay। 10th one, राजू परचेज 10 पेन्स फॉर ₹150 का आता है, तो एक पेन का कितना हो गया बेटा, 15 रुपीज, बट वो तो 7 पेन लेता है बेटा, तो क्या करेंगे, समटाइम्स दिस टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो कम्स टू योर प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ। 10 पेन का है ₹150, तो आपको 4-7 पेन चाहिए, कितने रहेगा बेटा, तो 7 4 का 84 आएगा, तो मनीष परचेज फॉर 1 पेन एंड 1 बॉल पेन, लाइक दैट वे यू कैन से राजू एंड मनीष, तो किसका कम रेट में मिला बेटा, वो ढूंढने का है, तो मनीष गॉट द पेन्स चीपर, उसका 12 रुपीज में एक आता है, 10 पेन का ₹150 है, 7 पेन का 84 है, मनीष का 7 पेन लिया 84 का, कौन चीप में लिया बेटा, वो मनीष ने, उसने परचेज किया चीप रेट में। लास्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस लेसन एंड दिस एक्सरसाइज इज हियर, अनिश मेड इन 6 ओवर 42 रन्स, 6 ओवर में वो 40 रन बनाता है, तो 1 ओवर में कितना बना सकता है, उसका एवरेज बोलते हैं, जो लोग क्रिकेट जानते हैं, सॉरी गर्ल्स this is little bit awkward for you, but boys are very interesting these types of questions, and nowadays girls World Cup cricket also going to playing, and that girls are also interestedly taking the part. Okay, so 7 runs Anil made in 1 over. अनूप मेड 7 ओवर्स में 63, तो उसका एवरेज आ गया बेटा 9 रन्स. तो किसका एवरेज ज्यादा आ गया बेटा? कौन ने, किसी ने पर ओवर ज्यादा रन बनाया, तो आप बोल सकते हैं अनूप मेड मोर रन्स पर ओवर. सो हियर वी एंड अप अवर टुडे सेशंस एंड लेसन ऑल्सो. थैंक्स, टेक केयर, बी सेफ एट होम, बाय बाय.